Very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
How are you? All are all right? Hmm? So today we are entering into the first lesson, the third level. I ask you to read and come. Did you read it? Then I can go a little faster. So this is a lesson where I need not explain because it is a kind of fiction. It is a kind of fiction based on imagination and psychology. So you have to just read in such a way. The main character of the story is a psychic person. So he has some hallucination, and on the basis of that, the story is written. Okay, so you also should think it in an imaginative level. Then only you will be able to understand the story. Story is very simple. There is not much story. Meaning, sometimes suppose you are dreaming something which will not become a reality. That is not a dream. That is not is a hallucination, isn't it? The dream which is not practically become a reality, that is what is called a hallucination. But dream a dream and make it a reality. You may dream dreams, but see the dream which you can make it a reality. Suppose a student who is dreaming, I will get 100 out of 100 for all the 5 subjects. That is not going to happen. I will reach 100 and 104, 98 and 99. Okay, there is some possibility. You can make it successful. I am not denying that 100 out of 105 into 5 is not possible. But that is out of range. Sometimes, if anybody thinks, for me it is not possible, maximum I can get 90% marks. And if that person is dreaming 100 of 100, that will become an hallucination in his mind. Or tomorrow I can reach Canada and I am living there like an angel, like a millionaire or trillionaire or billionaire. Maybe hallucination. So in this way, some kind of thoughts are here. Let us see the story. The presidents of the New York Central and the New York, New Haven and Hartford railroads will swear on a stack of timetables that there are only 2. The presidents means the chairperson or the highest authority of these railway stations, 4 railway stations, major railway stations of US, will present a timetable of or a schedule of trains. And the schedule or the timetable says there are only 2 stations which are first level and second level. First level and second level. So what is the reality? There are only 2 levels in the central railway station. First level and second level. We are going to see the third level, which is not a reality. Clear itself? First sentence itself says, the timetable shows there are only 2 levels and we are thinking about third level. But I say there are 3. The narrator says, no, the timetable is wrong. There are 3 levels. From the first sentence itself, we know that we are going to deal with a psychic person. Mental crackdown, as Albert Einstein, isn't it? He wanted to be a mental crackdown. nervous crackdown. Here we have seen from the very first sentence itself is a nervous crackdown. I say there are three because I have been on the third level of the Grand Central Station, because I say that I had been there in the third level. That is why I say there is third level. Yes, I have taken the obvious step. I talked to a psychiatrist friend of mine, among others. And I went to a psychiatrist. My friend is a psychiatrist. And I told him, my dear, I have seen, I have invented, I discovered the third level at Grand Central Railway Station. I told him about the third level at Grand Central Station, and he said, underline, he said it was a waking dream wish fulfillment. It was only the result of an early morning dream. Early morning, you get a deep sleep, isn't it? Have you experienced? Sir, we every day experience that. 4 o'clock you get up. Elvina, 4 o'clock you get up. And you say, oh, today I have examination, I have to study. So from 4:30 onwards, I will study. Just sleeping for 5 minutes. So you again sleep for 5 minutes. That 5 minutes will be for 2 hours. Am I right, Elvina? How many times you are sleeping? That 5 minutes sleep goes to 2 hours deep sleep. At a stretch, you sleep and all the tiredness is over by that sleep. In such a sleep, you will have dreams. That is morning dreams. You see, it was a waking dream, wish fulfillment. He said, I was unhappy. He said, I was unhappy. Psychiatrist told him that you are mental. You are an unhappy person. So you are seeing such kind of dreams. That made my wife kind of mad. But he explained that he meant the modern world is full of insecurity. Underline, the modern world is full of insecurity, fear, war, worry, and all the rest of it. And that I just want to escape. Underline. So he said, the modern world is full of worries. You are under worries. Grishma, you are under tension. Am I right? Are you happy with Corona? Are you happy? No, you are not happy. We are not happy. Because for last 1.5 years, half an year, we are inside the rooms. We are blocked. We are under restrictions. We are under worries, tension, wars, insecurity. We do not know tomorrow will I get Corona. Now heard Zika virus is heard. Delta plus is coming. Then black fungus is coming. Yellow fungus is coming. I am the only one. All around, all the fungus and bacteria are like that. We have studied the rat trap. The world is a trap. And you are around that. You are walking around. You see, all these fungus made a circle around us. And you are in the middle. Have you seen the easy one chair, musical chair competition? And the chairs are decreasing. The chair is calling you. Trap, trap. Black fungus is calling. At that time, yellow fungus is calling. By that time, Zika is calling. By that time, Ebola is calling. By that time, Delta is calling. Delta plus is calling. COVID is calling. Corona is calling. Where shall I go? Corona, shall I come? No, no. By that time, Delta plus is calling. Delta plus. By that time, you are hearing Ebola. The man is worried in the morning, modern world. So, what we say, we are fed up. So, we want to make an escape, Anila. We want to make an escape. We turn to mobile. Games. Google. Clear now? YouTube. Again, Instagram. From morning till evening, even by the addiction of this small piece, we are scooting this large piece classroom even. We forget the timetable even. The world is a trap. Sharath, the world is a trap. Sometimes Sharath's video is very, I don't know, connectivity is very less in Andamata area. Connectivity is very less. What will happen? Our connectivity will be lost. That will be dangerous. So here he says, the psychiatrist says, the world is full of insecurity, full of fear, full of war, worries. And he says, I just want to make an escape. Want to make an escape. But, well, who doesn't? Everybody wants an escape. Everybody I know wants to escape. Underline. Tomlin, everybody wants to make an escape, not only he. But they don't wander down into any third level at Grand Central Station. Everybody in the world wants to have an escape from these miseries. Not miseries, miseries. From the troubles, from the worries. But I do not want to escape. I don't want an escape. I am all right. Who says like that? Who says like that? The modern people are under stress, under insecurity, but I don't have any problem. Who says like that, Aishwarya?
The person who have already experienced everything and is used to it.
Not Aditya. Who says like that? All the people have worries and secure. All the people want to escape, but I don't have any problem. I do not want to escape. I don't say the answer. You go to a mental hospital. You visit a mental hospital where there are mad people. Grishma, where there are mad people. That is called a mental hospital. As soon as you enter the gate, Elvina knows it, isn't it? Elvina? As soon as you enter the gate, those mental people, what will they say? Elvina? In Malayalam, they will say, "De varnada prandam vannu." The madman is coming. All the mad people standing on the veranda of the mental hospital, they will say, "Oh, Vanna, they coming. Madman is coming. We are all right." Mad people will say, "We are all right, Shubham. You are not okay." Here he says, the people in the modern world all are escaping, running for escape. I am all right. I don't want any escape. So really, who is the mental patient? The one who says, I am not mental. Clear? That is the meaning here, you see. But they don't wander down into the third level at Grand Central Station. Everybody I know wants to escape. Underline. But that is the reason, he said, who psychiatrist, that is the reason my friends all agreed. Everything points to it. They claimed my stamp collecting, for example. So all of them say, this man has a stamp collection. Your stamp collection is an escape. Amalraj, sometimes mummy may scold you, sometimes. Mummy is not scold, never scold you. Sometimes scold. At that time, what Amalraj does? He will go to his room. He will close the door. And he will take a paper. He will draw some picture. And nib of the pen will be broken. And he will take that paper, scrabble it. He will throw it into the dustbin. See? When you have some tension or stress, you will engage into some activity in order to release your tension. Am I right? Am I right? If you have any tension, you quarreled, Anila, you quarreled with the mummy. Mummy took her mobile. So she was unhappy. Mummy told, how much mobile, and how much time you are watching the mobile? Give the mobile here. She took the mobile and went. Anila became angry. What did she? She banged the door. Door will be broken. Then more than money, mobile, you have to spend the money for that. She banged the door. Her anger touched the door and closed it. She was inside. And she spent her time on some other activities. To the activity, she was escaping from the anger towards her mother. Understood? Escapism. Anila, escapism. In this way, you check yourself. How much time you have gone, Pavitra, how many times we have gone with this kind of escapism. Escapism. Is it true? Am I right? Am I right? Reina, am I right? Reina, if Reina says in this matter, okay, that is correct, I agree. I agree. Okay, Reina. So, here he says, these people say, my stamp collection is a kind of escape. Underline. My stamp collecting, that is a temporary refuge from reality. Temporary refuge from reality means temporary escape from the reality. The reality is stress. The reality is insecurity. The reality is worry. The reality is tension. Clear now? Clear now? This is a lesson based on the psychology. Those students who are learning psychology, they will understand very fast. Meghna, Reina, these people are learning psychology, I think so. Isn't it? If my reading is wrong, Grishma, am I right? If I am going wrong, you have to correct me because it is psychology, isn't it? Aishwarya, so, great psychologists are sitting here. Aparna, be careful. Okay. Your mathematics will not work here with the psychology. These people are dangerous. Meghna, Grishma, Amalraj, Reina, Elvina also. Yes, oh, sorry. I didn't see you people. All will be coming around me. Okay. So, temporary refuge from reality. Well, maybe, I agree. Sometimes it may be, according to your opinion, it is an escape. But my grandfather didn't need any refuge. Tomlin, he says, my grandfather was not under stress. There was no need of any need of running away from reality for him. Psychology students, you can take this lesson into your psychology class and you can make the revision. Okay. So my grandfather was a normal person. He was always happy. He didn't have any tension. But things were pretty and nice and peaceful. His life was peaceful. His life was pretty beautiful in his day. From all I hear, and he started my collection. He also had stamp collection. Then how can it be matching? You say, my stamp collection is a kind of escapism. I am afraid of the situations. I am worried about the situations. To run away from this situation, I do stamp collection. You say, maybe, I don't deny. But if you think about our grandfather, he was also doing that. He was not under any worry or tension. So how can it match with him? You see, and he started my collection. I am continuing his collection. It is a nice collection too. Blocks of 4 of practically every US issue. First day covers we will see later. First day covers and so on. President Roosevelt collected stamps too. So my grandfather had a large collection of stamps. Was he fearful? Was he? Did he go for any kind of escapism? No. Even famous Roosevelt, American president, a courageous man, he had stamp collection. Was he going for an escapism? So your opinion is not true. Is not true. Therefore, I am not a madman. Therefore, I am not a nervous crackdown. Clear now? That itself shows, Aishwarya, that itself shows?
He is a madman.
He is a mental patient. He is a madman. We cannot call madman. He has some nervous crackdown. Clear now? Girishma, any doubt? Psychologist, any doubt? No, psychologist says, no doubt. So I proceed. Let me proceed. Okay. Anyway, here is what happened at Grand Central. Then what happened at Grand Central? One night, last summer, I worked late at the office. I was doing OT. What is OT, Sharath? What is OT? Operation theater, isn't it? I was working in the operation theater. Tomlin, what is OT? Basile, what is OT? What is OT? Switch on, unmute. What is OT? Anyone can say? Can anyone? OT means overtime work. Overtime. You get extra money for that. Your office time is 10 o'clock to 5 o'clock. If you are sitting after 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock, the 2 hours are known as OT, overtime. Clear now? You will learn when you go for a job. Okay. So one night, last summer, I worked late at the office. I was in a hurry to get uptown to my apartment. I was in a hurry to go to my apartment. So I decided to take the subway. from Grand Central. So I was in a hurry to reach my apartment. So I planned to take a shortcut. That shortcut is through the subway. Subway means underground way, road, subway of Grand Central Railway Station. So Grand Central Railway Station has a subway, and he was planning to go to that place because it is faster than the bus. So you can underline, I decided to take the subway from Grand Central because it is faster than the bus. Now, I don't know why this should have happened to me. When I reached this Grand Central, I don't know. Some booth. What is Aditya? What? Some booth? What is some booth? Aditya, Satyan. What do you mean by some booth? Some unknown spirit, pradam, ghost. As soon as I reached Grand Central, I don't know, I lost my memory. Where am I? Somebody has taken him somewhere else. Within seconds, I landed there in Canada. I was in Mala, now I am in Canada. Fully covered with snow. Snow is falling. See, I got lost. He says, now I don't know why this should have happened to me. I am just an ordinary guy. I am an ordinary man named Charlie. So his name is Charlie. He says he was an ordinary man. 31 years old. And I was wearing a tan gabardine suit, a particular type of dress, tan color, gabardine suit, and a straw hat. See him, the black man? A straw hat with a fancy band. When you go to picnic centers and all these things, you will get hat, isn't it? Fancy hat with a ribbon and a flower and all these things. If you go to Ooty or Munnar, like that area, Kodaikanal, you will get such, and all over the places you will wear it and you will walk. After the visit, the work is over and you will throw it away. And some may be keeping it as an antique at home. Aishwarya, keeping it as an antique, keep the memories of the past. So here you see, Aparna, next time when you go to Ooty, get a straw hat. Okay, Aparna, get a straw hat with a fancy belt on that. So his dress was a tan gabardine suit and a straw hat and a fancy band on it. I passed a dozen men, some people. A dozen men means a collection of people, some people who looked just like me. I couldn't see anything strange. Still he was saying that I am trying to escape. I was as normal as I was, and I was going home. And I was planning to reach home fast. That is why I decided to take the subway. When I was there, I saw people, a dozen people, some people who are just like me, dressed with the gabardine and a straw hat. Normal. People are normal, I was normal. I couldn't see anything strange in this. And I wasn't trying to escape from anything. And I don't mean, underline, And I don't think I was trying to escape. I did not want to run away from those people. I did not want to run away from such kind of situations. And how can you say that I am doing an escape? And I wasn't trying to escape from anything. I just wanted to get home to Louisa, my wife. My only purpose, aim, was to reach home to my wife. She is waiting for me. So I want to reach home at the earliest. I turned into Grand Central railway station from Vanderbilt Avenue. He was walking along Vanderbilt Avenue, and from there he went to Grand Central Station. After reaching Grand Central Station, he went down the steps, the flight. Which flight? Flight of steps. Not air, down, flight downwards, flight of steps. Aparna, what kind of noun it is? Flight of steps. Sir, what is there, sir? +2, there is no grammar. Why are you asking grammar? Flight of steps. Who can say? What kind of noun? It is a collective noun. It is a collective noun. A bunch of banana, an army of soldiers, a swarm of bees, all these things. A collective noun. A flight of steps. Flight of steps. So, I went down the steps to the first level. Flight of steps. I reached the first floor. So, it is underground. Underground. Where you take trains like the 20th century. What is the importance of first level station? So, level of the earth, level of the ground. From there, you see, look here. This is the level of the ground. From there, he went down one flight, then underground. There is a first level railway station. What is the importance of the first level railway station? The fastest modern trains will be coming in the first level. Clear now? From there, again, what did he do? He again went down to the next flight, second level. Again, he went underway, second level. What is the importance? In the second level, there are the trains towards suburban area. Village and small town areas, suburban areas. You get the trains from there. Ducked into an arched doorway. Kulja sim sim. Kulja sim sim. Amalraj, what is Kulja sim sim? Oh, you switch on, you unmute it and speak. What do you mean by Kulja sim sim?
Say code for opening some.
It is a code word for opening. Where is it? Where is it? Grishma, where is it? Kulja sim sim. Alibaba and 40 thieves. When he reaches the cave, he will say, Kulja sim sim, the rock will be removed and he will enter the cave. Then he says, Band hoja sim sim, the rock will be closed. So here our Charlie reached the second level where from he gets the train to the suburban areas. Where he reached, I didn't understand. Something happened to me. You see, now you read the first sentence. I don't know why this should have happened to me. the first sentence of the previous paragraph. Some unknown Preta Buddha, some unknown ghost caught me. And he told, walk through this way. I ducked into an arch. An arch was there. I entered the arch. Then now I don't know what happened. I was in a mesmeric world. I entered into the mesmeric world like Alice in the Wonderland. He entered. Sometimes there Professor Muthukad is there, isn't it? What is his full name? Professor Muthukad? Psychologist. What is his full name? I don't remember now. But Professor Muthukad is there, showing magics, magician. You understood, isn't it? So he may take, he will do Om Sing Kring Kurang Kurang Kuring. By that time, he will take a towel and he will wave it. By that time, Grishma will be inside the box. Grishma will be inside a box. And next time what he will take? He will take a sword and he will cut the box into 4 pieces. After he will say, Om Grishma, come here. By that time, Grishma will be coming out of the box. And Grishma says, anything happened? Nothing happened. I don't understand. Where am I? Where am I? As soon as he entered the arch at the second level of Grand Central, he thinks, I don't understand, something happened. What happened? I got lost. I got lost. He entered into a level of hallucination. Now, I invite your imaginative mind to enter into an hallucination. I give you 48 hours. I give you, no, doctors are giving how many hours? 72 hours, isn't it? 72 hours. In ICU, Reina Mariam, in ICU, doctor says, let us watch, observe for 72 hours. Then we will decide he will come into life or not. So I give you 72 hours to have some hallucination and imagination. After 72 hours, we will meet and we will see the reality on Monday. Okay? Clear now? Okay. Go and enjoy. Okay. Thank you. I end the class.